Check out this 2011 Toyota Tundra 4WD Truck Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, auxiliary audio input, Bluetooth connection, brake assist, bucket seats and child safety locks. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.